And now, your Storm Team 18 forecast. Weather from where you live.
All right, I discussed yesterday that we'll be watching and viewing the total lunar eclipse live all morning long, and the peak of it is starting to come to an end, but you can still see the kind of orange tint to the moon this morning. This is our new WL5 tower camera here looking off to the west. So when you can, maybe after the weathercast here during break, take a look outside. It is pretty neat this morning. So kind of the science behind a total lunar eclipse and why the moon turns orange. So what happens is when the Earth is in between the sun and the moon, the sun's rays go through the Earth's atmosphere and scatters the blue light, which is why we see blue during the day. But at night, only the red light remains and passes, which causes the reddish tint, or the blood moon is what it's called, for the total lunar eclipse. So pretty cool stuff, but like I said, the eclipse ended here about 6:41, so about 3 minutes past, but you can still see the pretty cool view for the moon this morning. If you're outside, dress warmly. It's pretty cool out there. 37 Logansport, as well as Crawfordsville, 39 Attica, 40 in Lafayette, 37 in Winnemac. Has some high-level clouds. It'll make for a beautiful sunrise this morning for sure, but it's going to be a fantastic day. We'll have a few high-level clouds, cirrus clouds throughout the day, but other than that, not much of a problem and no excuse to get outside and vote. 61 degrees for that 3 o'clock hour. Plenty of sunshine and east wind, 10 to 15 miles per hour, so gusts up to 20 at times. Won't be very windy, but there'll be some gusts. But tomorrow even warmer, 71 degrees, plenty of sunshine, a south wind which will help drive temperatures going up even more for Thursday. That's where we start out here with a Futurecast. So there's the area of low pressure dropping snow up in the Dakotas, but for us there's the cold front extending down, and that strong push of cold air will start to work in by Friday. So late morning, early afternoon is when we're expecting to see this cold front pass through. May see a sprinkle or two. It's not working with a lot of moisture, but we're going to be dealing with that cold air coming in for Friday evening, and really the weekend just looks very cold, and there may be even a few lake effect snow showers far northeastern counties, mainly northeastern Indiana, for the forecast for the weekend. So we'll keep a track of that, but otherwise we will be very dry, other than that low chance Friday late morning into the afternoon with the passage of that cold front. But enjoy the weather the next few days as we get to the 70s here. 74 Thursday, which is 20 degrees above normal. 62 and falling. That high temperature will likely occur at midnight, and then we'll see temperatures drop pretty much all day long on Friday, down to 27 Friday night. Only highs of 36 and 35 there for Saturday and Sunday. So cold air on the way, Marley.
Today's going to be a decent day to just go out and vote.
Yes,
so
it will be a decent day to vote and to get outside and just enjoy the weather today, tomorrow, and Thursday. So enjoy it. Before that, just a wintry forecast in here for the weekend.
We do want to mention real quick too, earlier in our show we were taking a live camera of the lunar eclipse happening. It was a beautiful shot of it outside, but as we were talking about the lunar eclipse, we saw a meteor. Just, I mean, it was clear as day.
It caught us off guard, 100%. I was kind of, I mean, you were kind of speechless too, and I was over in the Weather Center, and I said, well, that was a meteor. Because it had the tail to begin with. It kind of exploded a little bit, just a bright white light, and then it just kind of faded away. It was just left of the moon on screen. But we're going to get that posted on the website here shortly. So very cool.
Yeah, if you have a moment, you'll want to go over to our website and watch that, because we both were completely shocked. I mean, like I said, it was clear as day. You can see it explode. So it was very cool. So
it was.
Head over to our website and see that. We'll get that posted soon.